How to get the Decal ID in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up any web browser and tap on the search bar. Now go to roblox.com. Now tap on search. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now enable desktop site. Now simply tap on create. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down and tap on visit store. Now scroll down and tap on View Items under Browse the Store. Now tap on Decals. Now tap on the decal you want to get the ID from. Now tap on the search bar and tap on the pencil icon. Now go to the left. Now here you can find your ID. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.